For anyone who makes meatloaf, no matter what kind it is, you know it really is a grab bag of everything that's left over in your refrigerator. This time we're actually going to follow a recipe, and to make this Macau meatloaf, that was 1 pound of ground beef, that is 1 pound of pork, you have your mozzarella cheese, you have your white cheddar, we have our mushrooms, we have our black olives, we have our bread, we have our onions. All of those onions that sauteed for just about 10 minutes. They say just until they begin to caramelize, but you don't want them to get too brown. We have our eggs, and we have our nuts. So, as you can see, maybe not all that appealing, but the fun is when you take all of it together and mash and mash and mash.